take a picture here. My goodness. Right, so hello everybody. How are you all doing? This is Dayal Roy. Today, in this video, I just want to show you something or some natural beauty. You can see I'm here in a place which is very quite natural and very actually, how can I say it, mind-blowing, something like that. And but the problem, all right, let me just show you the boat. You can see over there, it's a very huge boat, and I want to take a picture here. My goodness. Alright, it looks beautiful. It looks beautiful. And let me go somewhere else. Let me stand over here and let me show you how it feels actually. Alright. So right now it's not working. There's a river over there. If we go there, we'll be able to see it. Okay. Alright, let me just show you some the river over there. There's actually kind of beautiful river. You can see it's kind of different. But oh my goodness, there are many boats over here. Oh, let me just go over there and I want to show you. Oh my god, I'll show you the boats. All right. Okay. Oh, but these are now completely unused. These are not being used right now, and I want to go over there if I can. Let me just let's just see how do I do it. Okay, I don't know if I can go there, but I'll try my best. I'll try my best to go there. Okay. Maybe this boat may sink, I don't know. But let's just make it as an experiment, how it goes. Now it's good. It's good to go. What about this? If I just stand here? My goodness, it's a completely different feeling. I don't know where is it going forward. Right? I'm not sure what's gonna happen, but let me just see. Okay. It's very, very dangerous or something like that. But I'm just trying to, there is not any accomplishment in this. My heart is just pondering at this moment. Alright, and my actually head is just having some kind of, okay, alright, so I want to come here in this boat. I want to, alright, okay, it's not gonna go anywhere because it's completely fine, but it feels like I'm going backward, but actually I'm staying in the same place. So it's a kind of confusing, and you can see, I'm going to show you. I'm going to stand here if I can. You can see the boat, how it's just trying to, how can I say it, trying to flip. Okay, my heartbeat has been raised. It's been just beating faster. All right, I'm completely, how can I say it, in a different feeling right now. Okay, that's fine. So I'm feeling a little bit, okay, I want to go to that side, but alright, now it's fine. Okay. Oh no. Alright, we can. Okay, fine. Okay, let me just take a picture from here now. Oh my goodness. What a beautiful view. Okay, it's very good. It's really very interesting. And I'm gonna show you. Okay, you can see the water. My head is just actually making some kind of. Actually, I'm confused. Actually, very confused. Right. Okay. It's a very different experiment. So experiment. I don't want to say as experiment. It's a different experience actually. Alright, it's quite good. Thank you for watching this video and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn English, be sure to subscribe to my channel. That would be fine. Alright, so thank you. Have a good day. Alright.